Yeah, we'll do this one. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So these are some old lapel pins. I see them come out of Europe. And you can see they have Disney. And hey, look at that. There is a big top elephant. There is a POW pirate. A couple bunnies. Ooh, a Dalmatian. Only 100 to go. Nice little pony. There's Mickey. The Maharaja. Oh, I guess I get 2 Plutos. Ah, it's always up to something, that Pluto. Put himself in my videos, one way or another. And then we have nice Calbee. But I do know they made the animals of PEZ, you know, duck with flower, elephant, etc. They made PALs in Disney. I don't know how many, I don't know exactly what, but I came across this, someone's collection as they were putting it together, and this is where they stopped and said, I give up. And I said, I will continue on. So here's some really cool pins. Really nice. So until next time,